In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious pizza baguette boat recipe. Welcome to Tasty & Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 baguette, half a cup of pizza sauce, half a cup of pepperoni, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, and 1.5 cup of mozzarella cheese. We're going to start by cutting out the center of our baguette and removing it completely. We're going to line the bottom of the inside of our baguette with Parmesan cheese. Add a layer of the pizza sauce. Now we're going to add in our mozzarella cheese. Top with pepperoni slices. We're going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 13 to 15 minutes. Our pizza baguette boat is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy!